Had to smoke a J.
Oh no, I don't even smoke.
I know, that's the funny part.
I wish I did it this way. 'Cause
What's wrong?
seeing 4 things that I checked in or something inside like, hey, this can easily get done, and not having it done.
So you mean like the iPads and stuff?
Just a few things like the Xbox power supply replacement never got touched, same spot. Just a few things here and there, and I'm just like, the realization of how much I actually do is just, it's,
That's a lot, huh?
yep. So I think I'm just gonna actually just tone it down.
So tone it down?
'Cause at this point, I'm just like, I don't know, man.
Yeah, I know. I definitely know.
So I got 2 soldering jobs, Xbox I gotta take apart, and a few other things that shouldn't have been left that long. But okay. Do we have the iPhone 8 here?
Be there in a minute.
Let's go. Toggle switch. Okay, what's wrong with this toggle switch? Charge port replacement. Okay, another soldering job. 2 soldering jobs. Good lord. So do we have an iPhone 8 here? So 1 charge port replacement. PS4, that also hasn't been into an iPhone here. It's recording. I hope that's not to be used against me. So exhausted. Shouldn't have to come back to seeing everything that was here before I left. It was only a few days I get it, but like a whole week. Hi, this is Anthony with Asurion Tech Repairs and Solutions, reaching out to Lucas in reference to the PlayStation 4 that we have here in the store. As we've discussed, yesterday did mark the date of the device would be considered abandoned, as it was past the 30-day device abandonment policy there. I will say we are still holding on to it for you. If you are able to pick it up by end of day, then you'll be able to have the device back in those regards. Otherwise, if it's not picked up by end of day today, which is August 17th, the device would be considered abandoned. From there, if you could, please give us a call back at area code 331-336-3698. Of course, our hours of operation are Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. through 7 p.m., Sunday, 12 p.m. through 5 p.m., in those regards. If you are able to come in later today, if let's say you just we're going to come in around 7:10, just give us a call. We'll try to work for you on that side and make it convenient. I can't keep the store open past 7:30, but I am able to work something out for you if that was needed. From there, thank you for your time. Please have a good day. Bye.
I don't know how
What's up?
I saw it in the system too. She has a broken 10R, pieces missing on the back. Said the phone was like that before. Got an insurance claim on the OEM. How? I told her she could pay the $149. She said, no. I've been here and I paid the $30. And I pulled her up and it was there. OEM. With the back cracked. Yeah.
Oh.
I said, yeah, well, find somebody to do it because I'm not.
Yeah. If it's a whole piece missing, we don't touch that shit.
Nope.
We barely even, and I don't even recommend using the sprays, but we barely even can take in the back when it's cracked and nothing. Like, let's say it's just cracked and that's it.
Yeah.
If we're really hurting for money, we could, but we shouldn't.
Yeah.
But if you use that terminology, they're going to get pissed because it's like, oh, so you can make exceptions for some but not me?
Yes, ma'am.
But my thought on that is just if it's back correct, just going to replace or good device replacement through insurance.
Yeah, she got front and back, so try to use that insurance. No. Pay that $150, baby.
Of course.
What?
No, of course that's how she wants to do that.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so more 485G parts.
They should give us more money they should let us sell insurance too.
Oh yeah, that would have been nice. That used to be a thing for I think like AT&T customers.
Like
a very limited time period. I think it was like for a month.
Like if we could sell insurance and Home Plus, dude, I would rack up. I would be rich.
Mm-hmm.
I'll sell everybody insurance.
Yeah, the issue with the fucking AT&T is.
Damn, I should have told her what up. Nah, I still couldn't have did it. Nope.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's been handled. This part wasn't handled. So, Ron, I have to reach out, figure out when the hell they could come in for that device drop off. Don has already been informed yesterday, so that's good. Soldering job number 2. We don't have Benjamin's phone in here, so guess I'll call him. Order charge port password.
Check around. Get it right, get it tight.
I don't remember what song that's from.
Bubba Sparks, booty.
That's what I need. Some music just.
That's just over there jamming in my head.
Yeah, I think that's all I need right now. Just some music to pump me up, because I'm just getting like. hit with one punch after another. Like,
Hey, dude. Hey, believe me, man. I tell you, these last few days were kind of hard, man. I got so demotivated. I didn't want to sell shite. I didn't talk in the chat. I was just like, dude, fuck everything.
No, you're good. I checked. Yeah, no, like we got an iPhone 8 here. It has, apparently we needed to replace the charge port. It's a Verizon extended warranty. So how that works is, if we don't have the part in, they can use that as an excuse of
Replace the device.
Yeah, that did not happen. We took a work order for that on August 12th.
We still have the phone?
We don't even have the phone, but it's on awaiting repair. So I'm assuming we don't have the phone.
Who took it in?
Dante. So I'm just like, I don't.
Yeah. Should we call him?
I want to call a customer. Say, hey, we got the charge port in, and if they're like, oh, you already have the device, then I'll be like, okay, let me reach out to my other tech.
That's soldering?
No, it's a full teardown. iPhone 8 full teardown, and then I got to tear down a Nintendo Switch for charge port replacement, and then for the iPad, did Zach say that he has soldering skills? He does.
Yep.
Okay. I guess he just wants me to work on that iPad then, but that's another soldering job I gotta do.
What's wrong with the iPad?
It's going in for a charge port replacement. However, apparently the screen was broken by Alex. That's all was done with it. Was
A couple of days, right? Because Alex hasn't been here that long.
Yeah. You see why I'm just like, well, a lot just kind of got left for me
So
to do.
the charge port turned to a broken screen also?
Yeah, because Alex broke the screen upon entry.
So now we're replacing the screen?
We're replacing the screen at our cost, doing the charge port replacement through their cost. It works out, but if the charge port doesn't work, then it's dead anyway. So.
Yeah. That's for that big tablet in there?
No, the big tablet with the case, that one's completed. Practically, I finally know everything that's in the store. But the part that frustrates me the most is it's stuff that was in the store before I left.
Yeah, that PlayStation. Not that PlayStation, but the other one. The
Yep.
PS4.
Mm-hmm.
That tablet. And I think that plays whatever the fuck
the
that is.
Xbox,
Yeah.
yeah.
And that Nintendo Switch, too.
I think the Nintendo Switch is thankfully new, but it's like,
We had a Switch in here.
yeah, we did.
But we kicked it out, yeah.
Yeah,
you're
because
right.
it failed the repair.
Yeah.
But I'm just kind of like,
That's,
I had high hopes, but
No.
First day
You
back-
better lower those hopes, Ed.
yeah, I was like, "Oh, we're doing good things. I'm excited. I'm gonna see some good documentation.
Motivation gone.
Yeah, and then I'm just like, okay, a huge box was set next to my desk. It's open. It's obvious that it didn't just come in before they left for the day.
Yeah, this kid's really got his hands full, man.
What do you mean 30-minute timer?
I put it on 15, and I don't know who set it on 30. It just keeps going up. Dude, the phone is way too hot after 30 minutes.
Yeah, that could cause a battery effect.
Dude, burn the shit out of me,
You can
bro.
short the motherboard with that too. It's set back to 10 now.
Solid. But I did that, and it went back to 30.
Yeah, if you ever have that issue, it's just these. It goes by 30 seconds and then you hit set afterwards. If it gives you an error message though, that's something I don't know.
Yeah.
I've seen it happen a couple times. They just let it do its thing.
Yep. All right, Samsung. I got you. Got you, Samsung.
Okay.
So I should put this.
So we will